Number one victory royale. Yeah, fortnite we both get down. The cute on the board right now. Just wiped out the middle town. My
I just had to do it on my own shit. I just had to do it on some cold shit. So that thinking as I got these fucking days.
That live too long, the friends of days gone by and scenes from their adventures live on in their memories. Should the day ever come
Testing 1 2 1 2.
What?
What the hell is this place?
What?
Dip it low, then you bring it up slow. Wind it up one time, run it back once more. Пикабу, Бушидо, Хэллоуин. Бай, я постоянно с Трэвисом как Ди.
Then, do you have any last words? Rimuru asked him. Accepting defeat, Michael thought to himself. How could he have lost when he had outperformed them in every way? He could not find the answer. That's why he asked a different question rather than sighing in defeat. Who are you? To which Rimuru replied with a puzzled look. I'm just a slime.
It's the first of the month.
I am the storm that is a tossing to fighting. What's out in I include soon. I am within of my
Did you bring me anything of value, Bounty Hunter?
Not much. Just his name. Skywalker.
The silicone parts are made for toys. I want them real thick and juicy. So find that juicy double. Mix-a-lot's in trouble. The silicone parts are made for toys. I want them real thick and juicy. So find that juicy double. Mix-a-lot's in trouble.
Oh shit. Kill everyone in your family. Stab them. Stab them.
Raising a glass to the gays and the buys and the trans and the girls and the big bald men. You better not assume my pronouns. You ain't got a clue what I feel inside. Shake my ass while I play Beyonce. You wanna come fuck me, then get in line.
Does it matter who wins the argument? Yeah, it matters. I want to win. It matters, but what matters more is fairness. I don't care. But if you try to win...
What are you doing? Why are you still holding back? Have you forgotten what they said to us? What they did? They think you're a monster. Prove them right.
Wake up to reality.
Just another crook. And it's time he got treated like one.
What's the matter? Too scared to shoot straight?
I'm warning you. Unauthorized punishment and torture are prohibited here. As the Duke, you should set an example.
Funny how that slipped my mind. Well, from this point on, you can forget about that rule. The rules of the fortress are there to keep the likes of you in check. But if the Duke wants somebody dead, he needs no justification. Understood?
Oh!
Du kannst mich so viel peitschen, wie du willst, weißer Teufel, aber meinen Willen brichst du nie.
Im Kampf kannst du dich doch nicht nur auf Muskelkraft verlassen, denn das ist etwas, was nur diese dummen Affen machen. Dunkle Machenschaften, ich manipuliere Fluchgeister, denn lass ich sie auf dich los, hilft dir auch kein Schutz weiter. Herablassen sind die stärksten Jujuzisten, und solltest du uns dissen, geben wir den Grund zum Schwitzen. Denn unumstritten sind wir zwei ein überstarkes Team, doch komm ich nicht mehr weiter, ja dann überlass ich's ihm. Ich verfüge über Unmengen an Flugkraft, es wäre eine Fightung, so oft bis du davon genug hast. Blutbad, ich kenne bei dir doch kein Erbarmen, seit dem Erwachen ist in mir die Menschlichkeit doch begraben.
This is Todd.
Hi.
This is Todd's mom.
Hi.
In a moment, Todd's mom will read her son's internet browsing history.
Monsieur Neuvillette and the Duke kissing? Ugh, what a ridiculous accusation. I have never not once found them kissing. Though one time I did find them wrestling, which was odd.
Okay, your total is $11.57. Cash or card? Quick, fast food places don't want you to know this one trick.
Pulling out the coupe in the lot. Told him for a 12 for a swat. Busting all the bells out the box. I just get the link with the box. Got to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn seal. I'ma get laid.
四皇だ占領道家のバギー黒ひげティーチ赤髪のシャンクス麦わらのルフィ
Who's stronger? Him? Or you?
Sukuna regained all his power. He might cause me a little trouble.
But would you lose?
I would win.
Wong Ling is growing anxious. Will he ever get a chance to fake a dramatic illness?
Wait.
Now's my chance.
Very impressive. Using my grand testing trick, I discovered that you brought a value 5 student for the competition this year. So, do you truly think that poorly of us?
Hey, the amulet.
What about it?
It's breaking.
Not the background music!
What? Is someone super high level around?
The counterfeit amulet. Triggered by Director Xie's force use.
2年のみんなに見せやーった